Peter, that new D-Max has been a real testing bed for you guys. What do you think are some of the key accessories you've got on it now?
I would say the key accessory would have been the front upper control arms of the Black Hawk, because of the correction that it does to the steering and the way the car drives. When you lift a D-Max, it goes into positive camber, so basically the wheels start to fall out.
The caster is the angle that makes the steering wheel come back to centre.
We've created a Black Hawk upper control arm that restores this lost caster, gives a 3-degree decrease in camber, so it pulls the wheel straighter.
And Pete, with the Black Hawk upper control arms, what a lot of people don't realise is that they offer some considerable benefits over the fact of just improving the geometry.
With the GBM upgrade, they can be used up to 1750 kilo front axle weight. So there's an increase in strength there as well, and clearance issues, all those things are covered with the Black Hawk upper control arms. That's an example of a printed arm, so it's just plastic. It's so accurate that we can bolt a ball joint to it and put it in the car and try it. The Black Hawk front upper control arms are designed for a 30 to 70 mil lift. They will help outside these parameters, but they really are designed, and you'll get your wheel alignment specs that you want to get in that 30 to 70 mil lift range.